Guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will learn dictionary in Python with the help of examples. Right. Each key is separated from its value by a colon. By a colon. The items are separated by commas, and the whole thing is enclosed in curly brackets. An empty dictionary without an items is written with just two curly braces like this, like curly braces. Keys are unique within a dictionary, while values may not be. The values of the dictionary can be of any type, but the keys must be of an immutable data type, such as strings, numbers, or tuples. Now, to accessing values in dictionary. To access dictionary elements, you can use the familiar square brackets along with the key to obtain its values. Let's check this out in an example. Let's open a Jupyter notebook and we'll check this out. This is dictionary. I'll mark this as heading. Dictionary is equal to name, Zara, comma, age is 7, comma, class is first. Next, what I do is now print dict name is comma dict name. Right, I'm going to print that. Now, next, print dict age is comma dict age, right? This is dict. Right, now I'll execute it. Now here, dict name is equal to Zara. We have Zara here, and age is 7. We can add on to print class is going to comma. See, this is the dictionary how we are going to access the dictionary. Now you can see the output. Yeah. If we attempt to access a data item with a key, which is not part of the dictionary, as we will get the error. The error is key error. What we get key error, for example, class 1. I'll change it. Now you can see the key error. What is the key error? Key error is directly it's indicating to class 1. So by that error, we can understand that class 1 is not defined. So either it's a spelling mistake or we have to change it, right? Now we'll move on to updating dictionary. You can update a dictionary by adding a new entry or a key value pair, modifying an existing entry or deleting an existing entry as shown in the example given on your screen. When this code is executed, it provides the results of age tech is equal to 8, dict school is equal to dps school. So let's try this code in our Jupyter notebook. We already have this. We'll copy this. Dick will take this dick, right? And now we do many things. Dick, dick, age is equal to 8. Here, what we are doing is updating existing entry. Now we'll update the school. School is DPS school. Right? Here we are at new entry. Now print of age equal to comma dict of age. Right, we have updated the age and we have updated the school. Print of school is equal to dict of school. Right, we'll execute it. What do we have? So at the beginning we were not having a school in dictionary. We have name, age and class. So we have added the name school as a DPS school. Age as 8. We have changed the updated the age to 8 and added the new entry. So now you can see that age is 8 and DPS is school. Now let's check out the different point. What will be the next point? Deleting dictionary elements. You can either remove individual dictionary elements or clear the entire contents of a dictionary. You can also delete entire dictionary in a single operation. To explicitly remove an entire dictionary, just use the del statement. Del is equal to, you can just statement, or del dict name removes entry with key name. Dict dot clear removes all entries in dictionary. Dict dot dict deletes entire dictionary. This produces the following result. So these are the deleting functions. Properties of dictionary keys. Let's check the properties of dictionary keys. Dictionary values have no restrictions. They can be any arbitrary Python object, either standard object or user defined objects. However, same is not true for the keys. There are two important points to remember about dictionary keys. First one is more than one entry per key is not allowed. This means no duplicate keys allowed. When duplicate keys are encountered during assignment, the last assignment wins. You can see on the screen like Dick name is equal to Zara age 7 name money. Dick name. When this code is executed, it produces the following results. Dick name is equal to money. The last one will be executed. It will override the first one. The second one, keys must be immutable. The keys must be immutable. This means you can use strings, numbers, or tuples as dictionary keys, but something like key is not allowed. Check this out. The example: Dick name is equal to Zara 87. Print Dick name. When the above code is executed, it produces the following result: error. The reason is unhashable type list. This is unhashable type. So we are not allowed to use that as well, right? Now we'll move on. These are the built-in dictionary functions. CMP no longer available in Python 3. It was available in Python 2. So we don't worry about that. Length dictionary, it gives the length of the dictionary. str dictionary produces a printable string representation of the dictionary type. It returns the pass variable. This is the type. And built-in that dictionary methods. These are the dictionary methods. We can use clear, copy from keys, get hash keys, items, keys, set data, update, and all those keys are built in methods, right? So we have more built-in methods. You can find it. It's better to just check this out. The built-in methods, you'll memorize it. Okay. All right. Thanks for spending time with me. Hope you guys are having fun. And if you have any queries, feel free to contact me through my email address. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.